This is an example calculation for discharge, and in this example we are calculating the loading of sediment in tons per day, and here we have concentration of total suspended solids of 2.5 milligrams per liter and the discharge being 0.05 cubic meters per second. Now these are just parameters that I've shown in for the example. Now the formula for loading is the concentration in milligrams per liter times discharge in cubic meters per second. So what we need to do is we need to go from milligrams to tons, and to go from seconds over to days. So we need to go from milligrams sorry Maddie, milligrams there we go, milligrams to grams to kilograms to tons. And we know that we have 2.5 milligrams per liter. So I want to put my milligrams on the bottom. And I know that there are 1,000 milligrams in a gram. And that cancels my milligrams. Then I'm going to get rid of my grams. So I want to put my grams on the bottom. And there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So now my grams cancel out. Now I'm going to go to tons. And I know that there's 1,000 kilograms in a ton. So my kilograms cancel out, my grams cancel out, my milligrams cancel out. So I'm left with tons, which is what I want in my final answer. And now I need to go from seconds to days. And I could do this 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, 24 hours in a day, this thing, but to me that's more numbers to put through that I can screw up. So here's some ET trivia, which is going to be very, very useful to you. And that is that there are 86,400 seconds in one day. So we're going to multiply this by our discharge, which is 0.05. Got that from up here. Cubic meters per second. And then I'm going to cancel out my seconds, which is 86,400 seconds in a day. And now I'm left with my days. My seconds are going to cancel out from somewhere. Oh, up here. And then I have everything left over but I'm just going to change colors here. I have liters and I have cubic meters that I need to get rid of. So I'm just going to continue this formula down here, and I want to get rid of my liters, which are on the bottom, right there. And that's the relationship, because there are 1,000 milk bags that I can fit in a cubic meter. So my cubic meters, my liter, cancel out here, and my cubic meters down below will cancel out up here. And then if I multiply this out, it works out to be 2.5 times 0.05 times 864 divided by 10,000. Because I've taken these two and taken those two. And the 1,000 liters cancels out with 1,000 liters down here. And that works out to 0.11 tons per day. I apologize for the messiness and for the noises in the background, but that is an example of how we can calculate loading. If you have any questions, just give me a shout. Have a great weekend of what's left of it.